Community Resilience Initiative. Solar-powered, water-secure, food-sustainable, digitally connected, for all 10 departments of Haiti. Project Overview. Haiti is a country of immense potential, blessed with abundant sunshine, fertile land, and a resilient population. Yet millions of Haitians lack reliable electricity, clean water, and internet access. The Haiti Community Resilience Initiative is a replicable model designed to be implemented in every department of the country, from Artibonite to Sud-Est. The key objectives are: provide reliable solar electricity for homes and community spaces, deliver clean drinking water through solar-powered purification, train families in sustainable gardening on their own land, connect communities to the global digital economy, create spaces for education, entrepreneurship, and innovation. The challenge. Across all departments, the majority of rural areas have no access to the electrical grid, and generators are prohibitively expensive. Unsafe water sources and latrines cause widespread health problems. Internet access is unreliable, preventing digital learning and remote work. Food insecurity is chronic due to limited access to fresh produce. Our solution in 3 phases. Phase 1, Solar Microgrid. This includes a 5 kilowatt solar array, battery storage, a community well pump, water purification system, and power for a computer lab. Phase 2, Community Gardening. This provides training programs, seeds, tools, composting systems, rainwater harvesting, and market access support. Phase 3, Digital Hub. This includes 10 computers, satellite internet, coding classes, remote work training, and access to the global marketplace. The affordable budget totals $75,000 per hub. Breakdown: solar panels and batteries, $18,000. Water well and purification, $12,000. Garden tools and seeds, $8,000. Computers and internet equipment, $15,000. Training and education programs, $10,000. Transport and logistics, $6,000. Project management for 12 months, $6,000. Total investment, $75,000 per community hub. Get involved. We invite sponsors, investors, and partners to join us in transforming Haiti, one community at a time. Your contribution will bring light to families, provide clean water, grow food security, connect communities to the world, and educate the next generation. We are open to partnerships at any level. Whether you can provide funding, equipment, expertise, or networking, your support matters. Contact information. Gesner Deslandes, Engineer-in-Chief at globalInternet.py. Email, deslandes78@gmail.com. Phone, 509-4738-5663. Website, globalinternetsitepy.streamlit.app. Be the light for Haiti. Your sponsorship can transform communities across all 10 departments. Contact us today to start the conversation. Built by Gesner Deslandes, Engineer-in-Chief at globalInternet.py. Solar-powered, community-driven, future-focused. Now, let's look at the sidebar. The sidebar lists all 10 departments of Haiti where this initiative can be implemented: Artibonite, Center, Gratas, Nippies, Nord, Nord-Est, Nord-West, West, Sud, and Sud-Est. It also shows that Haiti has a population of about 11 million, over 300 sunny days per year, and is ready for impact across all departments. Conclusion. How is this project possible? It is possible because we combine proven technologies with local knowledge and community participation. The abundant sunshine provides free energy. The fertile land can grow food. The people have the will and the skills to make it work. With the right partnership and modest investment, we can turn this vision into reality. We invite all sponsors to visit the live demo of this project at the following link: https://grand-goav-community-hub.streamlit.app to see the full proposal and interactive budget breakdown. Together, we can build resilience, dignity, and hope for all of Haiti. Thank you for your support.